Hey you guys, so we finally made it to Costa Rica. We are staying at the Westin Golf Resort and Spa, Reserva Conchel, all-inclusive resort. In this video, I'll be giving you a room tour and seeing a little bit around the resort. And be careful because you never know what animal you're gonna see. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, this is our first full day here in Costa Rica. Well, we came in yesterday, so this is our first full day. And of course, every time I go on vacation, I give y'all a room tour. So let's go. So we are in the bungalows. As you can see, there's actually 4 rooms attached to one building, and we're upstairs. So you come up these stairs here, and then there's a room this way and a room this way. We're headed this way. Immediately upstairs is the patio area. As you can see, we have 2 chairs here and a table, rocking chair, pretty nice vibe, and a great scenery of the golf course and this resort. And as you see in the sign over here, there are crocodiles in this water. So don't get too adventurous. The gate is here for a reason. Now we're headed inside the room. When you first walk in, here is a beautiful sitting area, and it gives you a look out onto the patio, and you can still see the river and the golf course. One thing I like about this table is this pull out, so if you have room service or something, you can put the food on here and go outside, go to the bed, wherever you want to go. Immediately to the left is a table, eating table, or this is probably where I'll be when I'll be editing videos, YouTube videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is a little coffee maker, has some tea, some snacks, and then this is our bar. I'm gonna give it a, right now I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10. But we have some beer and some Pepsi. We drunk all the water, but just wait for them to come and refill it. When you walk in, immediately to your left, you'll find this dresser. There's some drawers, so you can put your clothes and things of that nature in here. And then to the left is the bathroom. Welcome to the bathroom. And here is the sink area, and you see a mirror, one sink. I don't really like the one sink thing. I like to have double sinks, so I can have one and my husband can have one, but you know, it is what it is. I would say the counter space is a little limited, so that's why I have all my bathroom stuff packed up. And then we go over here, sliding doors. Like I said, this is our second day here, so I've already unpacked, but here's some of my clothes. But this is where the ironing board is located. And then you slide this back. And over here is the safe and some shelves. And like I said, I unpacked. I don't like living out of a suitcase, so there's all my things. And now on to the tub and shower. So I'm really digging the bathroom area. This is the towel rack here. I think it's just really cute, something different. And there is a robe. If you've seen my other videos, you know. A hotel with a robe, A+. Shower, and you have the shower head that you can kind of use and maneuver, take off, things of that nature. And there's also a sitting area in the shower. One thing about this room that's maybe a negative is there is no type of air in the bathroom area. So if I'm sweating, that's probably why. There's no air in the bathroom area. But this is the bathroom. Okay, so this door, it actually connects to the next room. So that's why we have our shoes down here, because we're never gonna open this door. Now on to the bedroom area. Very nice. I just love the step up. I feel like the step up gives the vibe, you know. So this is a king size bed, the wall TV, very nice size, and My birthday was a few years ago. A few days ago, not a few years. These balloons was up yesterday and now they're down, but these are my balloons celebrating my birthday because this is my birthday trip. And then, of course, we have the side desk to the bed. As you can see from the bedroom, you can see from the bedroom, you can actually see the living area. So it's kind of like an open room concept. The vibes are good in here. I really love this room, but and it has high ceilings, which is nice. And you guys, this is the end to the room tour. I don't know the name of this room right now, but I will post it up here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the room, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.